What is a run-on sentence? Some writers use long sentences, while others prefer short sentences. Correct sentences can be very long or very short as long as the pieces are put together or separated the right way. A run-on sentence is a sentence that doesn't have proper punctuation or conjunctions between two separate clauses. This applies to both long and short sentences. In this video, you will learn how to correct run-on sentences and avoid them in your GED Language Arts test. Ways you can deal with run-on sentences in your GED. Use punctuation to separate the pieces, or use words to connect them correctly. Conjunctions are the words used to link sentence components. The conjunctions and, as, because, but, and or are frequently used. Here are some examples of run-on phrases in their corresponding corrected versions. Example 1. The nurse was both heroic and humble in nature. Her kindness was great. The corrected version. The nurse was both heroic and humble in nature, comma, and her kindness was great. Or, the nurse was both heroic and humble in nature, period. Her kindness was great. Example 2. I like hot chocolate in the winter. Sometimes I like apple cider instead, but it has to be hot. Now, there are 3 different parts to the sentence. I like hot chocolate in the winter. Sometimes I like apple cider instead. It has to be hot. The corrected version. I like hot chocolate in the winter, period. Sometimes I like apple cider instead, comma, but it has to be hot. I like hot chocolate in the winter, comma, and sometimes I like apple cider instead, comma, but it has to be hot. Run-on sentences are easy to miss. To be safe, split a large sentence into smaller, straightforward sentences if in doubt. Join sentences without creating a run-on. Some brief sentences, however, benefit from being connected together. You want to use conjunctions to connect sentences. To make the sentence clearer, we frequently use a comma before a conjunction. Here's an easy test to see if a comma is necessary. If the second part of the sentence is still a whole sentence, place a comma before the conjunction. Example 1. I like sweets. I only like them with coconut on top. These sentences are correct, but adding a conjunction will make them better. The conjunction we are adding here is but. I like sweets, but I only like them with coconut on top. Example 2. The school bus is yellow. Its tires are black. We would be doing the same thing we did in the previous example. The conjunction we will be using here is and. The school bus is yellow, and its tires are black. Following these steps will surely help when studying for your GED Language Arts test, and they will definitely put you on the right path to success. Happy studying!